Hi, today I'm going to talk about custom code, where to place custom code, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. First, let's talk about CSS, which actually is less, and then when you load the website, it is compiled to CSS. So it's very useful because you can write directly less. This is in design, custom CSS. It's very easy to find. We go on the home, design, custom CSS, and we can open the window and see the text in a larger screen. Then we have on the settings, code injection, we have the header and footer, and log page, order and confirmation page. So let's navigate to code injection, settings, advanced, code injection. And here we have the header. This is the header code. And this is the footer code. Let's quickly save and see where it is appearing. Header code. It's in the head tag. And here we see it. So from this part, in this part, you add your code, and here's where it appears when you have the header. Let's see the footer. Here is the footer code. Let me delete that. And then we have two other, the log page and order confirmation page. So we saw two places where we can add HTML. Actually, we saw where we can add HTML and CSS and all kinds of code that we want to add. We're not limited to CSS and less like we were there in design. Another place where we can add code is in pages, page header code injection. Click the gear icon, advanced, and here we have Let's inspect. Page header code injection. It's here. It would be interesting to add the code again for the header and footer. For the header only, to see where it appears. See which one is appearing first. The header code injection is first, then the page header code injection. With this one is global. When you add in code injection, it is global. It appears on all pages. But when you add it to a certain page, it only appears to the certain page. And it appears, first appears the header code injection, the global code injection, then the page header code injection. And another way to add code is through a code block. Let's do this now. We type code, and here is the code. And here we see it. Actually not here. Let me load the page without the control panel. What I wrote. Code block. Here it is. And these are the 4 ways through which you can add custom code. Custom CSS is also global, so it appears on all pages. One way to add CSS, only CSS, and 3 ways to add all kinds of code. Thank you for watching. I wish you a great day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Squarespace videos and general IT stuff. Bye bye. Have a great day.